Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Polar Vantage V3 smartwatch and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this watch not working, not syncing properly, not connecting to things, we can go ahead and do a hard reset to clear those errors out. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get a fresh start on this watch for whatever reason and get it back to the way it was out of the box, we can do this either the FlowSync app. We can just go ahead and connect the watch to the computer's USB port, open the FlowSync app, and press the factory reset button. But we can also do this straight from the watch. If we just go to the watch and press the back button, and then we'll select the settings menu from there, and then from the settings menu we'll select about your watch, and then you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose reset data. And then once you do that, everything will reset back to the way this watch was when it came out of the box.